Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a digital signature with date and time stamp to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. So let's get started. First, open your PDF in Adobe and from the left hand side you will see the menu option. Click on that and from the drop down menu select open. Now select the PDF you want to work with and hit open. This will open your PDF. Now, from the left hand side menu, look for the Prepare a Form option and then click on Create Form. Now, once you are in, on the left hand side, look for the Digital Signature button. Once you get it, just drag and drop the signature field to the area in your PDF where you want your signatures to be appear. Once placed, close the Prepare a Form panel and then click on the signature box. Now choose the digital ID you want to use and click on Continue. Now click on the Create button from the window, and as you can see here, there are four options: text, draw, image, and none. So let's go with draw. So here you have to draw your signature with the help of your mouse. Use your mouse, and when you are happy with your signature, that how it looks, click on the Apply button. Now look here, the Include Text option. Make sure that the date checkbox is ticked. This ensures your signature is time-stamped correctly. Now here you have to add your present name. For example, I'm writing sample and then click on the save button. Now you have to save this to your file explorer and you can see that your signature is successfully added to your PDF and your PDF is now securely signed and time stamped. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.